Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix something went wrong in Etoro. This is an error that will happen occasionally when you try to log into your account. It happened to me already in one of the videos that I have made for this platform, and the solution for it was very simple. And I already showed you the solution in one of the videos. But let me tell you exactly what to do in this video in details. The first thing that happens when you log into your account is this. Normally, without any problems, you should log in with your account just like I did right now, and it shouldn't really give you any problem. But sometimes, the moment you log in, a pop-up will show that something went wrong in the account and it will literally freeze the page. To fix it, the solution that I have made in the first place when that happened was simple. I clicked reload this page and literally it fixed the issue for me. This was the first thing that I did and it showed me a solution. What you can do also is to click F5. It literally does the same thing. So you can do F5, which literally reloads the page. And if in case that wasn't the case for you guys, try to switch to a different browser or go ahead and check their server status. So Etoro server status, as you can see here, you can from here check if there was any problems with the platform. So you can check if the platform works, and literally here you can view all the details about it, and here you can view any feedback or any problems, for example, in the last year. It's very easy to notice. So yeah, the solution for this video is very basic. You simply have to refresh it or check for any problems in case they were from their side. And that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and a beautiful comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.